OpenClaw plus Ollama integration is insane. OpenClaw plus Ollama integration is insane. Today, I'm going to show you how to run a fully autonomous AI agent on your own computer. No cloud, no subscriptions, no sending your data to anyone. And the setup, one single command. This is brand new. It just dropped. And honestly, it changes everything. So here's the deal. Most AI agents right now need the cloud. You type something in, it goes to a server somewhere, gets processed, comes back, and that works. But there's a problem. You don't own any of it. Your data leaves your machine. You're dependent on someone else's server. And if that server goes down or changes the rules, you're stuck. Now imagine the opposite. Imagine your AI agent lives on your laptop. It never phones home. It never sends your stuff anywhere. And it can still do everything. Write code, automate tasks, control your browser, run full workflows. That's what just happened. OpenClaw just made Ollama an official model provider. And if you don't know what that means, don't worry. I'm going to break the whole thing down for you right now, step by step, super simple. But first, let me tell you why this matters more than you think. Because by the end of this video, you're going to see how to build what is basically a private AI employee on your machine that you fully control. Stay with me. So let's start with the basics. What is OpenClaw? OpenClaw is an open source AI agent platform. Think of it like this. It connects AI models to real tools and real messaging apps. So you can message your AI agent from Telegram, from WhatsApp, from Slack, from Discord, even iMessage. And the agent can actually do stuff. It can run code, it can manage files, it can open a browser and do things for you. It can execute full workflows. So it's not just a chatbot, it's an actual agent that takes action. Now, what is Ollama? Ollama is a local AI runtime. It lets you run large language models directly on your own machine. Models like Llama, DeepSeek, Mistral, CodeLlama, and more. Everything runs locally on your hardware. Nothing leaves your computer, so you get full privacy, full control, and you're not relying on anyone else. Now, here's where it gets crazy. Before this update, if you wanted to connect OpenClaw to a local model like Ollama, you had to do a bunch of manual configuration. It was clunky, it was annoying. Most people just gave up and used cloud models instead. But now, Ollama is officially baked into OpenClaw, one command. That's it. You type OpenClaw onboard dash dash auth dash choice Ollama, and boom. OpenClaw automatically connects to your Ollama runtime. It discovers all your installed models, and you're running a fully local AI agent. No complicated setup, no config files, no headaches. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Okay, so let me show you exactly how this works. Because the setup is ridiculously simple. Step one, you install Ollama. One line in your terminal, done. Step two, you pull a model. You can run something like Llama 3 for general AI tasks, or DeepSeek if you want a coding beast, or Mistral if you want speed. Pick whatever fits your use case. Step three, you install OpenClaw. Again, one line, done. Step four, you run that magic command, OpenClaw onboard dash dash auth dash choice Ollama. And that's it. OpenClaw now talks to Ollama. It uses your local model. Your AI agent is live, no cloud, no API keys, no third party, anything. Now, let me tell you what you can actually build with this, because this is where it gets really fun. First up, an AI coding agent. You message your agent, you say, build me a landing page. And the agent writes the code, runs the commands, tests it, all locally on your machine. You didn't open a browser, you didn't copy paste anything, you just told it what to do, and it did it. Second, an AI data analyst, you upload a spreadsheet, you say analyze the trends in this data, and the agent runs Python, generates charts, writes up the insights, all without your data ever leaving your computer. Third, AI browser automation. You tell your agent check competitor websites every day and send me a report. The agent opens a browser, scrapes the data, puts together a summary, and sends it to you on Telegram or Slack or whatever you use. Fourth, an AI DevOps agent. You say deploy my project, and the agent pushes to Git, builds the Docker container, deploys to your server, all from a single message. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now with tools that are free and open source. Now, here's something important, and I think a lot of people are going to ask this. What kind of computer do you need? Good news, you don't need some crazy expensive rig. For smaller models, like 7 billion parameter models, a regular laptop works fine. 16 gigs of RAM, an SSD, a modern processor, that's enough to get started. If you want to run bigger models, then yeah, a GPU and 32 gigs of RAM is going to help. But you can start small and scale up. The point is, this is accessible. You don't need a data center, you don't need special hardware. Your laptop can be an AI workstation right now. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, okay, this is cool, but how do I actually use this to grow my business and automate my workflows? I want to tell you about the AI Profit Boardroom. This is the best place to learn how to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. We show you exactly how to use tools like OpenClaw and Ollama to build real systems that actually move the needle. It's not theory, it's practical, step by step, done with you. If you want to set up local AI agents for your business and automate the stuff that's eating up your time, the AI Profit Boardroom is where you want to be. Link is in the description and the comments. Oh, okay, let's keep going because I want to talk about why this is a bigger deal than most people realize. Right now, the entire AI industry is going through a shift, and that shift is from cloud AI to local AI. Think about it. When AI first blew up, everything was in the cloud. You had to send your prompts to a server, wait for a response, and hope your data was safe. But now the models are getting smaller and more efficient. The hardware is getting better, and tools like Ollama make it dead simple to run models locally. OpenClaw adding Ollama as an official provider is a signal. It's saying the future of AI agents is local first. And that matters for a few reasons. One, privacy. Your data stays on your machine, period. No one else sees it. No one else stores it. If you're a developer, a startup, or anyone who cares about keeping things private, this is huge. Two, reliability. You're not dependent on someone else's servers. If their API goes down, your agent still works because it's running on your hardware. Three, speed. Local models can be incredibly fast because there's no network latency. Your prompt goes straight to the model responds, no round trip to a data center. And four, control. You pick the model, you pick the size, you decide what it can and can't do. You own the whole stack. This is what real AI independence looks like. Now, let me give you the full picture of what the stack looks like. At the bottom, you have Ollama, that's your AI engine. It runs the models. On top of that, you have OpenClaw, that's your agent layer. It gives your AI the ability to use tools, run code, and connect to messaging apps. Then you have your messaging apps, Telegram, Slack, WhatsApp, whatever you prefer. That's your interface. That's how you talk to your agent. And then you have your local tools, your file system, your browser, your terminal, your databases. That's what the agent actually works with. Put it all together and you have a personal AI automation system running on your computer, under your control, doing real work. That's not hype. That's the setup and you can build it today. Now, I want to be real with you for a second. Is this going to replace every cloud AI tool? No, not yet. Cloud models still have advantages for certain tasks, especially really heavy reasoning or massive context windows. But for a huge number of use cases, especially automation, coding, data analysis, and repetitive tasks, local AI agents are more than good enough, and they're getting better fast. Every month, new models come out that are smaller, faster, and smarter. And tools like OpenClaw and Ollama make it easier and easier to use them. So if you're not paying attention to local AI, you're going to be behind. Simple as that. Now, if you want to take this further, join the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we go deep on exactly how to set up local AI agents like this for your business. We'll show you how to automate your workflows with tools like OpenClaw and Ollama so you can save hundreds of hours and get more done with less effort. The link is in the description and the comments below. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free AI community. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Link is in the comments and the description. Make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below telling me what you're going to build with OpenClaw and Ollama. Julian reads every single one. I'll see you in the next one.